Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best dog carpet cleaner. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Pet Deluxe Portable Carpet Cleaner. When looking for the best carpet cleaner for pets, one of the key factors to consider is portability, so that you can easily clean spaces only pets seem to find. Our testers loved BISSELL Little Green's compact size and quiet noise level. The machine does a great job spot cleaning despite its size. It works by circulating a mix of water and cleaning solution on the affected spot and lifting away dirt from surfaces like rugs, car interiors, and upholstered furniture. During testing, Little Green completely removed the coffee stain with about 10 passes of the stain trapper attachment. The wine and dirt stains only faintly remained after cleaning. The chocolate stain was the toughest to tackle, with the BISSELL removing about 50% of the stain. The 15-foot cord gave our tester plenty of length for most tasks, as did the hose. A stain trapper and tough stain tool attached to the hose for extra deep cleaning, and a handy hydro-rinse self-cleaning tool makes it easy to get built-up gunk out of the hose and tank. This appliance was easily the most portable that we tested, and easy to carry with one hand. The setup was a little cumbersome, taking about 10 minutes to get the machine out of the box and assembled. Our testers noted they needed a screwdriver to put the machine together, and the directions were a bit tricky to follow. One of our testers' favorite things about this portable carpet cleaner for pets was how quiet it was, noting that it had a muffled sound, nothing obnoxious. Number 2. BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. The BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro is our pick for the best carpet cleaner for pets if you need a small machine, because it's easy to use and ideal for spot cleaning around the house or in the car. This portable carpet cleaner is a quick, no-fuss solution for addressing pet messes. The attached tough stain and stain trapper tools work wet and dry but can take a few passes to remove stains. According to our testing team, the coffee stain was removed completely, and the wine stain faded by 80%. Unfortunately, this machine struggled with the dirt and chocolate stains, leaving both messes still visible on the carpet. Testers noted that suction power wasn't as strong as expected, which could be why the spot cleaner performed inconsistently when treating various stains. Another thing to consider before purchasing is the noise level on this model. Our testers described the sound as a medium to high. You'll need to use BISSELL's Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator solution and the SpotClean Pet Pro, both of which are included with the machine as 8-ounce samples. According to the manufacturer, the solution targets and removes lingering smells. Mix with hot tap water, no need to heat beyond that, and start cleaning. The best feature of the BISSELL SpotClean Pet Pro, and the reason it made our list, is its compact, lightweight design. We love that it's easily picked up with one hand, so you can take it up and down the stairs, or stop on the stairs to clean up a mess. Number 3. Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover PowerDash is a self-contained pet carpet cleaner that's lightweight and easy to use. This upright-style machine works much like a vacuum, gliding across the carpet, no crouching or bending over required. It's ideal for large carpeted rooms but not well suited for detailed cleaning jobs. Our testers found this upright cleaner easy to assemble, without too many parts that need to be put together. The cleaner uses a power spin brush to lift stains and dirt, and heat force technology to dry carpets quickly after cleaning. During testing, the coffee was easily removed with 3 wet and dry passes. Our testers had to treat the wine, chocolate, and dirt stains with additional passes of the brush tool after the initial cleaning didn't fully remove the spots. The one thing the testers mentioned they didn't like was unclear instructions for attaching the hose. What stood out for us about this carpet cleaner is how lightweight it felt, and the list price, which was under $150. This feels relatively inexpensive for a wet and dry carpet cleaner. Number 4. Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. If you have pets, especially older ones, you know that spot cleaning is essential to keeping your carpet and upholstery looking their best. Rug Doctor's Pet Portable is our pick for the best cleaner for spot cleaning, thanks to excellent cleaning features and portability. This machine effectively treated all of the stains in our testing session, completely removing the coffee stain after the first pass and making chocolate, wine, and dirt stains disappear from the carpet after 3 passes. Our testers noted, however, that pre-treating is essential to successful stain removal with this machine. The pet portable cleaner's compact size makes it ideal for spot cleaning. A retractable handle lets you release and roll the machine like a suitcase, so you can easily wheel it around the house or to the car for the convenient stain treatment. Our testers noted that the hose isn't as long as some of the other models they tested, but they didn't think the shorter hose length was a deal breaker, necessarily. The water tank is a little tricky to fill in a sink, so you may want a buddy to help you. Since the tank is rounded and can't stand on its own, one of our testers held the tank steady while another added water and soap. Our testers also noted that this machine is on the loud side and difficult to talk over, so you may want to put your pet in another room while using it. Number 5. BISSELL JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. What stood out about our pick for the best overall carpet cleaner for pets was how easy the BISSELL JetScrub was to use. With just 3 buttons you can press and go. Our testers used the deep clean option when tackling various stains, chocolate, wine, dirt, and coffee, and noted it only took 3 wet and dry passes to get each stain off of the carpet. The JetScrub has a clean shot pet grater that, according to the manufacturer, starts lifting the stain, and then the carpet cleaner's power brush removes the rest of the stain. What really stood out with this carpet cleaner are the size and features. A retractable handle and slim profile make this machine easy to store. Our tester thought the JetScrub was a great value for its effectiveness at stain removal, compact size, and moderate price. The total time to put this cleaner together out of the box was less than 6 minutes, and while the directions were a little unclear, our testers noted that it was simple to put together, and the parts snapped together well. The decibel level is somewhat high, although our testers noted it was about what you'd expect from a vacuum. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.